Hi, my name is Katie, and I'm one of the So Yummy chefs. Today, I'm going to show you how to make number cakes.
3, 2, 1. You guys, it's the final cake down. Our first cake is the number 1 because we're number 1. I love seeing first birthday cakes for little babies, but also those cakes are totally for the parents. Like, congratulations, you survived a whole year of parenthood. Come through number 2. Cake number 2 is a beautiful rainbow. I used M&Ms because they're chocolate and they're candy coated, and who doesn't like M&Ms? Crazy people. Way to be number 3. This one I really loved because I got to use my total imagination. Like, what is a number 3 shaped like? It's shaped like a caterpillar, and what caterpillar do all kids know about? The very hungry caterpillar. If you don't like caterpillars, you can make a snake, or just a 3. OMG, it's time for the unicorn! This was my most favorite of all of them, and it's the cake I wish I had gotten as a kid. This unicorn cake is inspired by all of the Lisa Frank accessories and school supplies I had as a kid. Cake number 5 is honestly the most delicious out of all the cakes. This cake is actually inspired by my mom's garden. So I just wanted to recreate that. Like, it's not about the most perfect, beautiful looking garden. It's about like the fun of playing outside and getting in the mud and getting dirty. Number 6 is actually inspired by a real life cake from my life. Cake number 6 is inspired by my brother Marty's birthday cake when we were little. So I'm a huge history nerd, and I wanted to tie in the number 7 with the 7 C's. So we made number 7 a beach/ocean cake. And then also we wanted it to look like an ocean cake that like people are swimming in. So number 8 is inspired by the Indy 500. I grew up near the Indiana border, and NASCAR is a way of life out there. This number 8 cake is a really great way to use your child's toys as a cake decoration. Or your own toys. Maybe you're a kid listening to this and you want to make an 8 cake. You can! Go get some Hot Wheels! Looking fine, cake number 9. I chose the number 9 for the galaxy cake because no matter what NASA says, we still have 9 planets. We're not forgetting about Pluto. Ohana means family, and family means no one is left behind or forgotten. We made it! It's the last cake! So our 0 cake, we made a super cute little pineapple, we used a star tip, and this is the simplest out of all of them. So when you're making your number cake at home, don't worry about it looking perfect. Don't worry about it looking Instagram worthy. Don't fret about that. As Julia Child said, a party without cake is just a meeting. So remember that when you bring your cake, you are bringing the life of the party. We really want to thank our So Yummy squad for being such dedicated viewers and subscribers, and for loving all of our crazy creations. Please leave a comment and let us know what you would like us to cake next.